Hi, lesson one of week five. So welcome back. This is a bit of a review to see if you understood the process of mitosis and meiosis. I know the meiosis is a fairly complex one. So we are going to week five attendance. So please, that's the first thing I need you to do is mark your own lesson. Um, I'll have that changed to lesson 10, 11. So you've already gone there anyway. Um, and I haven't got any extra videos for you. You can always go back and have a revision. But let's go to lesson 10. Actually, asking to do this over two periods. So we'll do this one on Monday today and Friday. So don't try and do everything. So maybe do one worksheet today, um, or even maybe two sheets because you've got this latter part here. So very simply, look at this section three of the self-production PowerPoint. Um, you need to use this to make some notes. And then print these out and do the task. That's a nice simple one. I haven't had a look at worksheet 25. But have a look at those and have a go. I'd focus only on that part today. We'll do the second part another day. So you're completing these two worksheets. Scan it and then put it into your Google Drive, and I'll come and check to see how you're progressing with that task. So repeat. We'll do this over Monday and Friday. And tomorrow we're doing an experiment. We think you can do this experiment at home, but we have some alternatives as well. So have a good lesson.